gentlemen, I'd like to thank all the illustrious members of the media. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here, and all our special guests. This is truly a spectacular evening. It truly is what you call a memorable day in the history of cinema. Something like this is really something like what filmmakers and I always, and all of us from the fraternity, dream of. It's possibly the most magnificent cinema experience that you will ever experience. Truly the coming together of leading lights from the movies, legends, all of them. I never imagined that I would be on a platform.
I have, to be honest, I never do makeup.
Yeah.
I have never done makeup in my life. It's been 25 years, I never put any kind of makeup. But this movie, I have done all the makeup of these 25 years into this. And I swear to God, 3 hours I had to sit on a chair. I don't know how many films I've watched on television just while they are doing some makeup on me. And it used to take 1 hour to remove this makeup. So my patience level has increased. Like, I'm already a very patient guy, but with this, I have increased my patience level a lot.
Frank, with you, to work with Shankar is difficult. Yeah. And he is a perfectionist. That's why he's still, for the last 25 years, he's in the industry, almost 3-4 the biggest directors in the country, including you. He's also one of them. This picture actually, because since I worked already with him, but this picture is a 3D. It is very different experience when I see myself on a screen. But I'm telling you the truth. In this rope 2.2, the hero is not Rajinikanth. Akshay Kumar is the hero.
Whoa.
I have not given choice. If they had given choice, I would have selected that character. But hats off to Akshay Kumar. He worked so hard, and you can see that on the screen.
Sir, I had no choice, sir. I had no choice.
But a brilliant character, brilliant role. I'm really telling you, the whole country will applaud Akshay after the release of the picture.
Thank you.
With all gratitude, invite on stage none other than Salman Khan. Salman, thank you so much for being here today. As you know, it's a magnetic and a magnificent launch for 2.0, and we have the great Rajni sir in the house, and we're so happy and humbled that you're here today. How does it feel to meet the man himself every time and again?
I've just come to see him. I think he's the most amazing man that I've known, and I have a lot of respect for him. I wasn't invited. I got to know that his launch was here. So I just turned up. Aki, I think he's one of the most talented actors that we have, and I've worked with him. He's phenomenal. I think that if there's anyone who's had a growth in his acting career as a performer from our side, is only Akshay Kumar. We've all remained stagnant. He's the only one that keeps on growing and growing and growing. I think Aki is one of the most hardworking, dedicated actors that we have. Rajni Garu to bol jo ab kya bole. I don't know if Rajni Garu remembers this one incident when we were doing a show together. I think it was Jumma Chumma. So I went to the bathroom and I see Rajni Garu throwing cigarettes like this. So in the bathroom. So I said, Garu, what are you doing? He said, sir, a lot of wind outside. I looked, such that cigarette in the mouth. So open like air concert we are having. It was in some, I think, Wembley arena or something. It was windy, it was cold. So I said that, no, he's doing this here, let me see. And lots of cigarettes lying here. Yeah. So I went backstage to see if he gets it right. One shot, he threw a cigarette here, it came straight in his mouth. I thought that was phenomenal. I'm very happy to be here. And I just saw the teaser, and I think it's fabulous. Large, Shankar makes like the largest films, and why don't you do it? Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Salman. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.